welcomes you back to the Rafael BBA Digital Learning. In today's session, we will discuss about the different levels of market segmentation. We already have learned about the different bases of market segmentation that are geographical base, psychographical base, demographical base, and lot many other bases. And you already learn about the basis of segmentation in detail. Now, levels of market segmentation, unless and until one marketer uh, learns about these levels, they cannot proceed with any of the marketing strategies. Either they have the product strategy, pricing strategy, promotion strategy, or distribution strategy. So they need to learn about the levels in detail here. So let's discuss about the different levels of market segmentation. What are the different levels of market segmentation? So in short, marketers subdivide the markets. Marketers, what they are doing, they are subdividing, as we all know about the levels. Sorry. So we learn what is segmentation. Segmentation is simply division of the whole market into different sub-segments. So here, uh, marketers, what they are doing, subdivide the markets into segments so they can do focus on the marketing plans, right? Each level of market segmentation determines the strategy a company will follow to promote, to distribute, and to position its product in the market, and respectively target audience or its customers, right? Before developing a marketing plan, as I told you earlier, before developing a marketing plan, one must know about what are the levels of market segmentation. So here a very first level is, we'll discuss about the mass marketing. This is the first number. All right. So first number, which is mass marketing. इन सेगमेंटेशन, मास का मतलब होता है कि एक साथ में बहुत सारे लोगों को फोकस करना, एक साथ में मास ऑडियंस यानी कि टारगेट कस्टमर्स हैं वो उसमें सभी आ गए. इट इंक्लूड्स एवरीवन. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ मास मार्केटिंग. इन सेगमेंटेशन, मास मार्केटिंग refers to the strategy of targeting the entire potential customers market by means of a single marketing message. सबके लिए एक ही मैसेज यानी कि a single message they can pass on to the everyone. The marketing strategy used in this segmentation does not target the specific requirement or needs of the customers. It means it never focus on any of the individual customer, but focus as a whole to the whole audience यानी कि mass audience. Mass marketing strategy, instead of focusing on a subset of the customers which focus on the entire market segment that can be probably a customers of their product. An example, let's try to understand by an example. Suppose mass marketing strategy is of the Baygon cockroaches spray or Mortin mosquito repellent coils. So you may not found here any of the bases like age wise, like gender wise, like any profession wise, their occupation, their income, it doesn't matter, but they focus as a whole to the all their target audience. All right, so this is the strategy and the levels of market segmentation where marketers always follow the mass marketing strategy. The another one, when very important thing here, a second level is segment marketing. Segment marketing focus only on the single or individual needs. Let's try to understand by reading the paragraphs given. Segment marketing refers to the strategy where the company divides its target audience into different segments based on their unique needs and requirements. Right? I think the line itself is very easy to understand. This way, the company targets the different message of different segments to different segments, appealing them towards the unique feature of the product offers. This strategy creates the product differentiation for the customers with similar needs and preferences based on their gender, age, income, and location. Suppose you are the manufacturer of any of the ready-made garment. Let's try to understand with the example. If suppose you are in the business and you are the manufacturer of the ready-made garment, you must think over your target customers. Here you uniquely divided your customers, your potential customers, into different sub segments. Like clothing industry may be, you are manufacturing your ready-made garments for men, either women. Sometimes you may be the manufacturer of casual garments, or sometimes fashionables and business clothing segments. So the need and want of the customers are very much unique in their own personal view. So that's why it is called a segment marketing. You must focus on the requirement of your that particular segment. That is what we can understand it as a segment marketing. And the next one here, it is niche marketing, and a very important टॉपिक नीश मार्केटिंग, NICHE, नीश मार्केटिंग, इसको नीचे नहीं बोलते हैं तो प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज. इट इज अ नीश मार्केटिंग. नीश मार्केटिंग प्रोनाउंशिएट कर सकते हैं इसको. और नीश मार्केटिंग का मतलब होता है कि स्पेसिफिक और अ प्रीमियम customer group. Let's try to understand it by reading a paragraph given. Nowadays marketers are increasingly using highly focused marketing programs to target a small group of customers, which we can say the niche marketing, with products and services that fit their interest and lifestyle. Niche marketing is sometimes also called a micro marketing. इसको micro marketing भी कहते हैं. Micro marketing. Marketers usually identify the niches by dividing a segment into sub-segments. The customers in the niche have a different set of needs, and they are also ready to pay a premium price to the firm that best satisfy their needs. The niche is not likely to attract the competition from the other marketers. For example, Ferrari gets a high price for its cars because loyal buyers feel no other automobile comes close to offering the product, services, membership benefit bundle that Ferrari does. One more example, so far as our viewpoint is concerned, I can give you the example like a Godrej. गोदरेज का एक इजी लिक्विड डिटर्जेंट आता है. तो everyone is not using it as a general, but the company focus to the niche customers who are ready to pay a premium price. Godrej easy liquid detergent. And one more, Eureka Forbes, a vacuum cleaner. It is not for a general use, but they are focusing on the people who are ready to pay for the higher price, even and they wish to fulfill their own needs. All right. And some more local marketing. Now let's I think you all can understand it, the what is the niche marketing now. All right. And one more thing, one more example in niche marketing is ईच गार्ड. यानी कि जो खुजली की एक दवाई आती है, तो वो क्रैक क्रीम, अगर आपने सुना हो, क्रैक क्रीम जो फटी एड़ियों के लिए यूज में आती है, तो हर कोई यूज नहीं करता है, लेकिन उनका एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ऑफ कस्टमर है, अ नीश ग्रुप ऑफ कस्टमर्स. दे आर रेडी टू इवन पे फॉर हायर प्राइस, बट they are focusing on a specific need. All right. And now let's come to the next topic, that is local marketing. The local marketing, when marketing programs are designed to cater the needs and wants of a local customer group, यानी कि ट्रेडिंग एरियाज, नेबरहुड, इंडिविजुअल स्टोर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल पंजाब नेशनल बैंक and State Bank of India provide the different mixes of banking services in their different branches. All right. And one more thing, you can always find a vegetable shop nearby you locally, and in the same manner a drugstore or a retail store, so that the need and want of the local customer group can be fulfilled. You can say a Maruti bread which can be offered here at the local market. All right, it is available in the local market only, so they must form the strategy to use in the local level, यानी कि segment level of the segment is a local market segment. All right. And the last one here I would like to discuss is about the individual or customer marketing. It is also very important nowadays. See, the people, even after having a similar segment, they might be having a different wants. All right. So let's try to read the paragraph and try to understand. When a marketer detects as many segments as there are consumers, so that catch the segment it's composed of only one customer, it has been identified an individual marketing or customized marketing. माय डियर फ्रेंड, इंडिविजुअल कस्टमर मार्केटिंग में एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा. अगर आप कलर की बात करें, घर में अगर आपको पेंट करवाना है, तो पेंट की अगर बात करें तो सबकी अपनी अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है. तो आजकल के ज़माने में, सो फार एज वी आर लिविंग इन अ वेरी 21st century and very advanced world, right? So everyone can fulfill their own requirement by individual requirement. If suppose I wish to have a cloth with some diamond at some specific place, even I can do that, and I can order it to the company, and order can be fulfilled by the company by taking care of my own personal need, because I am going to pay a price what they ask for. All right. This results when marketer believes that no two customers will respond the same way. जो मैं अभी कह रहा था, two customers may not respond the same way to its marketing efforts, even they are in the same segment or same group. As a result, the marketer is forced to produce a customized product specifically designed and positioned for each consumer to whom it wants to market. Health and exercise marketer provide the examples of customized marketing. They are the personal trainer who develop a customized experience. इसको customized experience भी कहते हैं और customary marketing भी कहते हैं. एक customary marketing segment, okay, या तो customized marketing segment for their client, and exercise with them on the individual basis. All right. So they particularly they are focused on some individual customer, and so that it is known as customized marketing, or we can say the individual customer marketing level. All right. I hope you all have clear the levels of market segmentation. So here this topic is over. If you have any doubt, please let me know so I can be discussed further. All right. Thank you so much.